Hello guys, I am from Gavras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 3 Matrix and NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 2 exercise 3.1. Implied that if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Note of interrogation I have written here. What, if it has 13 elements? Note of interrogation. Now come out to solution here. Solution equal to. Here you can see a matrix has 24 elements. A matrix has 24 elements. What are the possible orders the matrix can have? If it has, what order will be if it had 13 elements? So here I shall write 24. We know that. Here I shall write. We know that if a matrix is of order m cross n. We know that if a matrix is of order m cross n, then the matrix will have m n elements. We know that if a matrix is of order m cross n, then the matrix will have mn elements. So here you can see the value of mn you have got here 24. The matrix has 24 elements. Since the given matrix has 24 elements. Given matrix has 24 elements. This means that mn equal to 24. Here you can write mn equal to 24 you have got. The total number of elements mn equal to 24 got. Then the order of matrix will be m cross n. Here mn equal to 24 you have got. Now what you have to do? Mn into n means m is multiplied to n equal to 24. So now in this case 24, here 24 will be factorized in two parts. Factorized into two parts. So first of all, you will get the factors of 24. So I shall write here factors of 24 goes to what factors? One factor it will take, two it will take, it will take 3 also, it will take 4 also, 4, 1, 2, 24 can be divided by 2, easily divided by 2. The result will be the whole number. 24 divided by 3, 24 divided by 4, 6 6 4 is 24, 6 4 is 24, and 8 3 is 24, and 12 2 is 24 you got. And now 24 can't divided by 5, don't write here 5. After that we will get here 6, 6 divided by 7 can't divide, 8 you will divide by 8, 8 divided by 8, okay. 9 can't divide, 10 can't divide, 11 can't divide, 12 it will be divided by 12, 12, 13 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now you have got factors of 24, 1 to 2. Now here you can write factors of 24. To take any two, first of all take here mn. Here write mn, m cross n you will get here. The possible m cross n you will get here. First of all you get here 1. Thereafter take here 24. Here you will get here 24 into 1. First add, second add. Now take here 2. So 2, if you take here 2, you multiply 12. 12 1 के बाद 2 लो, so multiply 12, then you will get 24. 24 will get everywhere. In each step you will get 24. So just reverse the order. 12 into 2 you will get. This one you will get. After that you will take here 3. 3 we will take here. So then you will take here 8. So 3 3 is 8. 3 8 is 24 will get. So here write 8 into 3 will get. Now here take 4. So you will get here 6. So 6 into 4 you have got. You have got 6 into 4. This will be. Take here 8. The 8 if you take here 8. The 8 into 3. You don't write 8. 8 I have already written. 3 in place of 3. Now take here 12. So 12 we have written. So you have got this one. Merge the thing first of all take number of rows. The total number of rows you take here 1. The total number of columns will be 24. Just reverse the thing here, you will get this one. Now take here total number of rows equal to 2. This one 2 are reflected here. The total number of column will be 12. Reverse the thing here. Now take total number of rows here 3. The total number of columns will be 8. Reverse the thing here. 3. Now take here 4. Total number of 4. Total number of rows will be 4. Total number was 6. Reverse the thing here. 4 you have taken. Then if you take here 6, the 6 take the 6 you will take number of rows 6, the 4 you will get. This is over. If you take here 8 number of rows 8, the 8 I have taken. If you take here number of rows 12, the 12 I have taken. So these are the possible orders. So this all will be the possible orders of the matrix. All these will be possible orders of matrix given matrix. Given matrix. Now we have got this one. Now further it says, what if it has since 13 elements? So now in second part here you can see if the given matrix has 13 elements. Now the given matrix has 13 elements. Then possible orders will be 1 into 13 or 13 into 1, because 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. That's why if the given matrix has 13 elements, then possible orders will be 1 cross 13 and 13 cross 1. This is the complete solution of question number 2, exercise 3.1, chapter 3 matrix, NCERT 12 matrix.